Welcome class 5. This is your EVS class and we were doing the activity book in EVS. So we have almost completed all the answers of your in your EVS book, of your activity book actually. The one last question was remaining, the steps of making the Mamidi Tandra. So I am writing over here so that it will be convenient for you to write from the video, because in the class time is short. So maybe you are unable to write this much big answer. So I'm uploading here the video so that you can write them very easily. Okay, so write the step-by-step method. Step-by-step method of making Mamadi Tandra. So this is the answer of your activity book. This is the answer of your activity book. Mangoes round the ear, and the answer, the last answer or the last question is given here. What are the steps of making Mamidi Tandra? So I will write the step according to the arrangement, or according to the steps how we will make the Mamidi Tandra. So the first step, the ripest, choose the mangoes. Choose the ripest mangoes. Choose the ripest, that means the mango which are overripe. Okay, so these are being chosen. Choose the ripest mangoes and peel them. So this is the first step. What is the second step? Second step is the pulp was taken in a large pot. The pulp is to be taken in a large pot. So what is the second? You have to extract the pulp. So the pulp is to be taken in a large pot. And the third step is the pulp has to strained has to be strained through a fine muslin cloth to remove the fibers. Okay, so the third step is the pulp has to be strained through a fine muslin cloth, so the fibers has to be removed from the pulp. And the fourth step, gur or jaggery the gur or jaggery has to be crushed till no lumps remain, till no lumps remain. The fifth step is sugar and jaggery added in equal amount. Sugar and jaggery added in a equal amount. Sugar and jaggery added in a equal amount. And mix with pulp. So the fifth step is sugar and jaggery added in an equal amount and mix it with the pulp, or mix it with pulp. Now the sixth step is the thin layer was equal amount and mixed it with pulp. Now the sixth step is the thin layer was left to dry in the sun in the sunlight and covered it with clean cloth and covered it with clean cloth. And the last step, the above step was followed for 4 weeks. Above step has to be followed for 4 weeks. To get thick layered, Mamidi Tandra. Okay, so this all the steps are given here. First one is step by step will come to know what are the steps to make the Mamidi Tandra. The first one is choose the ripest mangoes and peel them. The next step, the pulp is to be taken in a large pot. And the third step, the pulp has to be strained through a fine muslin cloth to remove the fibers. And the fourth step, the gur or jaggery has to be crushed till no lumps remain. And the fifth step, sugar and jaggery added in an equal amount and mixed it with the pulp thoroughly. The very next step, the thin layer was left to dry in the sunlight and covered it with the clean cloth so that it can be dry well. And after drying up the first layer, then we have to add the another layer, and after drying up the another layer, then we have to add another layer. So this is the way we will make so many layers. Above step has to be followed for 4 weeks to get thick layered Mamidi Tandra. So this is all of the steps we have written here. You write it down in your copy or in your activity book as it is given up. In the textbook question it is, as well as the question is given in your activity book also. So here I have written all the steps for your activity book. You just write down all the steps, and that's all for the day. And I'm just closing here my video, and the next day we will do the other questions. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.